The Science of Eternal Life, Unveiling Ancient Egyptian Mummification. Ancient Egyptian mummification stands as a testament to the enduring human fascination with life, death, and what lies beyond. It was a sophisticated blend of chemistry and biology, driven by a profound belief in the afterlife. The ultimate goal was to prevent decomposition, ensuring the deceased could successfully navigate the perilous journey to the next world. This process was not merely ritualistic, it was a practical application of scientific principles as understood at the time. At the heart of Egyptian mummification lay the process of dehydration, primarily achieved through the use of natron salts. Natron as a naturally occurring desiccant found in abundance in ancient Egypt. Its composition is a mixture of sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, and sodium sulfate. This unique combination of salts possesses remarkable water-absorbing properties. Natron works by drawing moisture from the body's tissues, effectively halting the enzymatic and microbial processes that drive decay. This dehydration process was crucial for long-term preservation. Without mummification, the body would rapidly succumb to tissue breakdown, putrefaction, and eventual skeletal exposure. The difference is stark and undeniable. Mummification, on the other hand, resulted in a gradual, controlled desiccation, preserving the body's form and features for millennia. This slow process allowed for a semblance of the individual to remain. Internal organs, rich in fluids and bacteria, were prime targets for decomposition. To combat this, the ancient Egyptians meticulously removed these organs. The brain was often extracted through the nasal cavity, a delicate and somewhat crude procedure. Interestingly, the brain was often discarded, as its importance was not fully understood. A carefully made incision in the abdomen allowed for the removal of the liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines. These organs were treated as individual entities, each requiring specific preservation techniques. Each organ was carefully cleansed, dehydrated with natron, and treated with resins and spices. This meticulous preparation was essential for their long-term survival. The treated organs were then placed in canopic jars, each dedicated to a specific organ and protected by a corresponding deity. These jars were integral to the mummification process. This practice reveals a surprisingly detailed understanding of internal anatomy and a deep-seated desire to preserve the whole person, both inside and out. The Egyptians believed that the deceased would need their organs in the afterlife. Ancient Egyptian texts, such as the Edwin Smith Papyrus, offer invaluable insights into their anatomical knowledge. This surgical text demonstrates a remarkable understanding of the human body. The Ebers Papyrus details many of the substances used in the mummification process, providing a glimpse into their chemical and medicinal knowledge. These texts are crucial for understanding the science behind mummification. Resins, oils, and spices played a vital role in the mummification process. These substances served multiple purposes, contributing to both preservation and aesthetics. They further aided in dehydration, acted as antibacterial agents, and imparted a pleasant aroma to the body. The combination of these properties was essential for successful mummification. The final stage involved wrapping the body in layers of linen bandages, often impregnated with resins. This created a protective cocoon, shielding the body from the elements and further decay. This meticulous wrapping process was not only functional, but also symbolic, representing the deceased's transition to the afterlife. The bandages served as a physical barrier against the ravages of time. Modern embalming shares a common goal with ancient Egyptian mummification, preserving the body after death. While the methods differ, the underlying principles remain remarkably similar. Modern embalming typically utilizes formaldehyde-based solutions to fix tissues and prevent decomposition. This process effectively halts the natural breakdown of the body. Despite the differences in materials and techniques, both ancient and modern embalming rely on the principles of dehydration and the use of preservatives. The goal is to slow down or stop the natural processes of decay. Modern technology, such as CT scans, allows us to peer inside mummies without unwrapping them, providing unprecedented insights. This non-invasive approach has revolutionized our understanding of mummification. These scans reveal intricate details of the mummification process, including the placement of organs and the materials used. We can now see the internal structure of mummies in remarkable detail. CT scans also provide valuable information about the state of the preserved tissues, allowing us to assess the effectiveness of the mummification techniques. This helps us understand how well the ancient Egyptians were able to preserve the body. Based on these scans and archaeological findings, scientists can create mummy reconstructions, offering a glimpse into the appearance of these individuals. This brings us closer to understanding the lives of those who lived thousands of years ago. These reconstructions are both visually compelling and scientifically informative, bridging the gap between the ancient world and our modern understanding. They allow us to connect with these individuals on a more personal level. Modern tools allow us to fully appreciate the ingenuity and scientific understanding of the ancient Egyptians. We can now analyze their methods with a level of precision that was previously impossible. Their mastery of chemistry and biology, though rudimentary by today's standards, was remarkable for their time. They were able to develop techniques that effectively preserved the body for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians sought to conquer death and achieve eternal life through the art and science of mummification. Their efforts represent a profound expression of human hope and ingenuity. Through their meticulous practices, they left behind a legacy that continues to fascinate and inspire us today. The mummies of ancient Egypt are a testament to their enduring quest for immortality.